To update your phone number with Experian, the process depends on whether you're updating your credit report information or your account login details. Here's how to proceed. Updating your phone number on your Experian credit report. Your phone number on your credit report is typically reported by your creditors when you apply for credit. However, if you wish to update this information directly with Experian, you can do so through the following methods. Online dispute. Visit the Experian Dispute Center. Log into your account. Select the Personal Information section and initiate a dispute to update your phone number. You may be required to provide supporting documents, such as a utility bill or bank statement displaying your new phone number. If you need more information, please contact customer service. Customer service will provide you with all the information you need. Thanks for watching.